Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Thank you for clicking my channel. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so now. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic Canadian dish because July 1st is around the corner and July 1st is Canada Day. Our Canadian dish is called Poutine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. So you can make it in the comfort of your house, but if you ever find yourself in Canada, you could also try this dish. Poutine is made from Irish potatoes, particularly the russet type of Irish potato, and then you also add gravy and cheese curds. Before I go ahead to the actual recipe, let's start with the list of ingredients.